This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Open OneDrive and sign in with your Microsoft account to start syncing today. The app appears in your taskbar or system tray after installation. Files on Demand is a key feature to save local disk space and still show cloud content. Turn Files on Demand on in Settings to reveal all files without downloading them. Choose specific folders to sync so local storage matches selected cloud content. I will show how to pick folders, manage downloads, and confirm sync status step by step. Open OneDrive Settings and go to the Account tab to choose folders to sync. Click Choose Folders and check boxes for folders you want stored locally. Use Files on Demand to keep files online only until you explicitly download them to your PC. Right-click any file or folder and mark Always Keep on this device to force a download. Pause and resume syncing manually from the OneDrive system tray menu when you need bandwidth control. Confirm sync progress with the status icons next to each file and folder. If sync errors appear, restart OneDrive or sign out and sign back in to refresh credentials. Check file names and path lengths to ensure they meet OneDrive limits before syncing large folders. Free up local disk space by making large files online only or removing local copies when you no longer need them on device. Use the OneDrive web to check version history and recover files if accidental changes occur. Regularly review synced folders and storage usage to avoid hitting your plan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.